what are the horrors of being a woman even today, you know, where you turn around and say, hey man, this wouldn't happen to a guy. I'll give you an example. अंधेरा है आपके शो के नाम की तरह और एक गली है, you know. आपको, you know, it will always cross your mind. As a woman, it crosses our mind. So there are still these horrors. What are the horrors that you deal with? Sorry.
How you are treated in the room, whether there are men or there are like other women or whatever. I think it's more individual than gender specific. But you know, I'll just go back to a very real horror and a real fear that I have always had right from my childhood, and very, very, very unfortunately, I don't know, this might just go into a very different direction, but when you said andheri gali mein, agar aap ja rahe ho, I have feared of getting raped right from my childhood. I don't know why. I have always feared that. And because I've seen, I mean, you as a woman see a lot of news and the stories, and you are a woman, you know how people and men in the world treat this gender, and that's not okay. It's very unsettling, it's very disturbing to see other women's stories of going through something like this, which could be, you know, it's devastating for you to even listen to those stories. And I don't know where this came from as a child, because I have been brought up as a very secured child. I was born in a very happy, secure family. I have never had any weird encounters in my life, nothing. Except like a couple of where I was in school and I was crossing the road and I could feel that one man is following me. And I was feeling that constantly for months. And you won't believe that after I got married, when I went back to my mom's house one day, I saw the same man on the same signal standing next to me, looked exactly with that same
Stare.
I don't know, it's not even that simple stare. It's like, it's something very, ew, I can't even explain that to you. He just looked at me and I could see in his eyes that, oh, you are the same girl. And I could still feel that horror, fear, pain, everything in me in that moment when I knew that my house is right here in front of me. I could just go run and, you know, cross the road, run and go home. I think that fear, when however strong you are, however fearless you are, however fierce you are, it still is a part of me, and I don't like it. And the more stories I hear and the more stories I see, the more news I see, you know, वो शायद बढ़ता ही जाता है कि पता नहीं यार, हम इसके लिए थोड़ी पैदा हुए हैं. I want to do a lot of good things in life.